Block models are the heart of Vulcan geological modelling and the foundation of mine design and scheduling, so being able to work with them properly is vital to evaluating your deposit. The Maptek online training Block Model Modifications course gives you the tools to update your model to reflect the latest information. Start with the fundamentals, adding variables, modifying their construction details, and working with translation tables. Learn about flagging block model variables based on existing polygon extents, such as building footprints or mine lease boundaries. Discover how triangulations can help you with block flags and calculations, such as dilution or the amount of material in place. Move on to performing simple calculations and constructing block calculation files to speed up workflows and document processes. Explore a complex calculation file in a robust calculations case study to expand your block model scripting. Find quick solutions to address common site challenges. Test your knowledge and receive a downloadable certificate once you pass the exam. Get to understand block model modifications with Maptek online training. Find out more at maptek.com.